Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by loading the image and inspecting focus at 100% so you know what to fix and why. Zoom to 1, use the loop, and identify the intended subject and any depth of field falloff. Once done, confirm if softness is from camera shake, blur, or missed focus. Make sure to flag or star the image for processing. This initial diagnosis decides whether to use sharpening, noise reduction, dehaze, or external tools like Photoshop's shake reduction. Now apply corrections. Start with the detail panel and raise sharpening amount while keeping radius low for portraits or higher for landscapes. Use masking to protect smooth areas. Then, add an adjustment brush or radial filter over the subject and increase sharpening, texture, and clarity subtly so the eye is drawn to the point of focus. Once done, toggle the mask overlay to check edges and reduce noise with luminance slider if sharpening exaggerates grain. Make small, repeatable adjustments. Finish by comparing before and after, using history to revert any step you don't like. Export a test at final size because sharpening depends on output resolution. If the image is soft from missed focus rather than motion, consider focus stacking from multiple frames or open in Photoshop and try shake reduction sparingly. Make sure to apply output sharpening for screen or print on export. If artifacts appear, reduce sharpening and increase masking, or denoise first and then resharpen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.